How to open Green Dot account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. You can open up any browser and search for Green Dot, or you can also use application on your mobile app by simply downloading the Green Dot app from your App Store or Play Store and then creating account on your mobile device itself. In case if you are on browser, just simply search for Green Dot, open up the very first link that you will see in the search results, and this is where it will take you. After that, you can simply click on this option of open an account. And here you can choose whether you want Green Dot Unlimited account or Go to Bank account. Just choose it according to your needs and requirements. The benefits and perks are different for both these accounts, and you can select any of them. And for that, just simply click on this option of open an account. And after that, wait for it to load. Then it will ask you for your information like your first name, last name, your address, your zip code. All the basic necessary details will be asked, and all you have to do is just provide your correct details. And after that, you will also have to verify your tax withholding status in order to continue. And after that, you will have to agree with the terms and conditions of this particular platform. And in case if you want to receive marketing calls or text messages, just simply tick it, otherwise uncheck it. And then simply click on this option of I'm not a robot and click on open my account, and this way you would be able to open up Green Dot account. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.